borrow or lend. Which Arabic verb should you use? Let's make it easy. Let's look at this situation. One person gives a book, the other person takes it. This is one situation, but in Arabic we use two different verbs. Now let's focus on the person who took the book. أنا. He says, استعرت كتاب من علي. I borrowed a book from Ali. He took the book. That's why he uses استعار. Now let's look at the other person. He gave the book. So he says عرت علي كتابي. Ali is a name. عرت علي كتابي. I lent Ali my book. That's why he uses عار. Now compare these two sentences. The book didn't change. The people didn't change. The situation didn't change. Only the speaker changed. If the speaker takes something, استعار. If the speaker gives something, عار. Don't memorize borrow and lend. Just remember, استعار, take, give, عار. That's all you need to remember.